Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a freebie alert for you people. This watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store while it lasts. I suggest you download right after the video. I don't know how long this watch face is going to be free because it is feature packed, people, and you will see what I'm talking about in a second. Now, the name of the watch face is called WFP0116 Fahrenheit Weather. It's a nice looking analog / digital watch face. This one here is worth its weight in gold. But in always on mode, you're gonna get that same look. It's gonna be in a dark theme mode. It's gonna look really nice. Now when the watch face is on, I like the index. Gives it a touch of elegance. I like the layout of the information as well. Of course, this is an analog watch face, and then it gives you digital along with it. You get your date at the top. You get your weather right here. You also get your temp info, and it lets you know what kind of day you're having. And in my area, it's raining, so this is accurate. Now you get your digital time down at the bottom. That's not a bad look at all. And you get the day of the week. Now if I tap right here, I can get my weather, which isn't bad. I like that. And if I tap right here, I can set my alarm. Here, of course, you know it's going to bring up my calendar, and I can set an event. But if I tap right here, I can go in and make a phone call. If I tap right here, my messages, right here, I can go into my recents, and right here is where I can go in and I could set a favorite. But when I double tap, it makes me change the watch face. I don't know how to do it without changing the watch face color, but this is one of the colors that I was going to show you. But let me finish showing you what else it has. Find my phone. Of course, you got your calories burned, your step info, and right here it's going to give you your music. So this is fully packed with shortcuts that you can tap into at will to make life a little bit more convenient on your smartwatch. But if you double tap in the center, then it changes the color theme of the watch face. Not bad at all. You get like 16 in all to change to, people. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. It is worth its weight in gold. This one here looks awesome. And then that's your battery percentage right there that I didn't show you, but I'm liking this watch face, people. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if you're going to go download this watch face or if you're going to leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.